So, can you grow your hair faster? And the answer is absolutely yes. You see, most of us are not growing hair at the optimal rate. Most of us are growing hair about 20%. And this is due to the foods we eat, it's due to how we don't take care of our hair. It's also due to the fact that we don't do anything to boost blood flow or stimulate the hair follicles. When you do all those things, the hair is going to grow faster. You're going to be growing hair at a much optimal rate, which means faster hair growth for you. So the steps are: eat the right food, eat fruits, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, replace and remove all milk products, animal products, and starches, and try to minimize cooked foods. And second, use a hair growth oil. Always use a hair growth oil. This has been proven in India. The formula has been used for centuries to grow hair. It will grow your hair. Stay consistent with it, use it diligently, and you see your hair will grow faster. So you can grow your hair faster. Okay, there are many studies done on it that shows it can be done. All you have to do is find the right hair product here, use the right diet, fruits, and be consistent and be patient, and your hair is going to grow.